Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm going to be reviewing some things from a recent order I got from e.l.f. Express yourself. Why not? Let's see what's inside. Hydration lip mask, which I can't wait to put on. With the weather changing and the sun beaming this summer, it's been a bit drying for the body, especially on the lip area. So I'm seeing what's in. Oh, this is such a cute little packaging. It comes with a little spoon, a little nice thing there, along with this little container. I hope you can see that there. Okay, I just opened this. This looks so gel-like, doesn't it? It looks amazingly, look at that. It looks like a gel, right? It's amazing, but it's solid. That's pretty amazing. And it comes with this little, I mean, I'm the only one that's gonna use this. It comes with a little spatula. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I wanna open it. I'll show you how it looks like here. Is that amazing? You just take a little, I will take it off like so. It almost looks like petroleum jelly the way it looks, right? And it's probably a lot. It has a scent. Yeah. It goes on very, again, I put a lot, but maybe a little is enough. A little goes a long way. But I'm loving that it comes with this little spatula. This is so cute. I think these were free because you have to order a certain amount and you get these things. And I'm already like on icon status. There's like 3 levels when you're a beauty squad member. If you haven't joined e.l.f., you join it for free. It's called the Beauty Squad. You sign up for it, and as you buy stuff, you collect points, and eventually those points turn into dollars and savings. What's in here? Oh, how cute. This was another bonus that I got for, you know, ordering over a certain amount. And this is I featured these on this channel before. These are the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow, and this is in cream and sugar. Very pretty, little practical, little eyeshadow palette. These were a hit when they came out, and they're so cute. And of course, you know, e.l.f. is a cruelty-free vegan brand, in case you didn't know. Love it, love it, love it. This palette delivers mini eye magic in a perfect size. I have several of these lying around, but I'm loving this. I love that too. I wonder if it's as deeply pigmented, because some of the eyeshadow palettes for e.l.f. can be hit or miss. So in any case, okay, I unwrapped one. Oh, okay. You know what I'm going with. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This seems like it's a foundation, right? And this is a bit on the yellow side. I'm trying to remember what shade this was. This is the shade, is it Fair? I'm not sure. I had to buy 2 different shades simply because, as great as e.l.f. is, their color line can be a little limiting. So sometimes I may have to get more than 1 shade in order to mix it properly, and also depending on the season. So I think I got light and fair. So yeah. So I have this and this, and these look identical. I don't see the big difference between these two. Honestly, I don't. Do you? I don't. All right, so I'm gonna go in with one of these putty primers. So maybe I'll do the matte putty on this side and the luminous on this side, just to see what kind of finish it gives. I've already cleansed and primed my face with this. So I just apply this, apply some of it here. Okay. So we'll have to remember that this side is the matte primer side, and then this side is going to be the luminous side, which I used a lot of. This is the luminous side. That's how I use a lot of this. All right, let's see how this stuff works. Okay. So. All right, so this is the light one. I can't go wrong with this one. I want to say, is this foundation? I will put in the section here. Let me know in the comments below what you think. It appears kind of yellowish to me, but okay. You know, over my nose it gets a little red, so that's 1. This is 2. If I can get it to open. There we go. I should shake it. Let's go with 2. Okay, again, there's the brush. Dope foot applicator. Is it just me, or does this feel like it's lighter? I don't know. It looks about the same to me, guys, but I could be wrong. Okay, so I'm not gonna put a lot, although to me that is a lot. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. flat brush, handy dandy trusty wusty, and I'm gonna use it on this side. It's a nice subtleness. It's not overbearing. The coverage is, I would say, light to medium. So if your skin is halfway decent, it won't be a problem. But if you're someone that has, you know, skin issues or scars, like acne scars or pock marks, that might be an issue. But I like that it's light. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin, and the coverage is just, it just gives me that glow. And okay, so I'm gonna try the other side. I don't have another one of these big. I wish I did. So I'm gonna use just the smaller one, because I don't want to mix the primer and the foundations. Because I'm here and I'm like, I don't really see a big difference, unfortunately. Sorry about that noise. City traffic. Oh, ooh. I got that little spot there, hey. But yeah, I'm sitting here and I'm like, yeah, I don't really see, do you see a difference? Maybe there is. I put less maybe. I don't know. Need to put a little bit more. Okay. You know, during the summer, the last thing you want to do is, you know, pack on the foundation. You want something lighter. I guess a few years ago, it was like a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer you would put on instead of putting on a foundation. This is what it feels like. It's a happy compromise between the tinted foundation, the tinted moisturizer and the BB cream. But there it is. I don't really see a big difference. What do you guys think? The Putty Primer is in the shade Tan Lines. Again, no scents. All right. So I'm just gonna dip my hand in. Okay. And I'm just, oh, it's not, it goes on smooth and creamy. No complaints here at all. I'll put it around there on the ends. Maybe a little on my nose. I'm really trying to be mindful of not really going crazy with bronzer, but the temptation is so high to do simply because the temptation is great, simply because I haven't been in the beach. I don't tan easy, I burn. So I have to just stay out of the sun as much as I can. Is this gonna work? Just use this. Much better. And use the other side with this side. Anybody knows the difference? It's a gentle bronze, you know, it's not too intense, so that I appreciate. Look at these fantastic, fantastic colors. I'm like in love already. I think I might have gotten this one, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna keep this light. It's not bad, not bad. I don't have any lipstick on either, just what's left of that jelly stuff. But other than that, I would say I like this. Is beautiful. I'd like to see, maybe I'll do a follow-up video where I'll show like a wear test to see how it looks in like 6 to 8 hours. I have combination skin, as you may or may not know, oily T-zone, dry cheekbones. So to get that hyaluronic acid in there is helpful, especially for the dry spots. But it would be interesting to see how this looks over the course of the day. Again, this is something that's very light and comes off like a BB tinted moisturizer jam. So I don't know if this will work for people that have, you know, severe scarring or acne, how this might look on them. It's not full coverage. It's like a sheer look. And for summer, that's all I'm looking for. Something sheer, but not overly done. So if that's what you're looking for, I think this might be something you might want to look into. Again, the price tag, I believe, is an unbelievable $14 US. Check the website if you haven't done so already. And if you haven't joined their beauty program, please do. The Beauty Squad, it's awesome to gather those points. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. As for me, I give it a thumbs up. Just on sheer first impressions alone. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. And I hope to see you on my next video. And don't worry, I will be wearing this for a couple of days, and I will do a follow-up video with a wear test to see how it looks at the 4, 6, 8 hour mark. Okay, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Stay safe. Bye.